Good evening, everyone. My name is Samantha Gatewood-Rivera, and here's my assignment on lasting images. Here's a photo of a diverse group of females, different shapes, sizes, color, creed, races, coming together to be a support of one another. They look like they are providing each other with strength, holding each other up, letting each other know that one another is there for them. I think this is a good representation of our course and our classmates that we had. We were lucky to be fortunate to spend time with this semester. I believe that we created a safe space for one another. We provided strength for one another when individuals were sharing their stories, and just a good sense of community. So I believe this photo is a great representation of our course. So the final thoughts that I have on this social work practice for older adults is that it is a great course. I highly recommend this course to any widener graduate students that are attending. I'm not sure if this is available to undergraduate students, but it is a great course. Like I said previously, we created a safe space in the class for individuals to share their personal stories, whether it be professional or personal, with their contact and experiences with older adults. And it was interesting and enlightening to hear other people share stories that were similar to mine, or just to listen to their stories. And it's refreshing to know that I'm not, in this alone. It's like I said, as a sense of community. We were there for each other when things got hard. We all came together without any questions asked. Everyone was very mature about situations in class and came in and dived in and helped out without questions, without judgment. And I greatly appreciate that, because you don't really get that a lot of places. Some people just feel like, you know what? It's not me. It's not my fault. It's not my situation. I'll move on. But with this group of individuals, indicative of this photo, we came together and helped each other out, which was beautiful. This course, like I said, personally has challenged me. I've learned a lot about myself in this course, and with caring for older adults in my own family, it's a challenging process. And you learn through this course that you're not alone, that these things are out there and you're not by yourself. And with that, it's education is provided, which is a benefit to me, and I've learned so much, and I've been able to take that and pass it on to my family and be of benefit to them as well. How to apply this to practice. I feel like the social work code of ethics has been a constant theme throughout this course and although throughout the program at Widener University. But I definitely can't pick out on one of them. I feel like all of them apply to the course of service, social justice, dignity and worth of a person, importance of human relationships, integrity and competence. I feel like with growth and with this course, we have lived out the social work code of ethics, definitely. But I will say that dignity and worth of a person is a constant theme in this course. I feel like older adults are the unforgotten population, and people look over them and they never ask them, well, how do you feel about this? People are just making decisions for them, and I feel like with that we've learned to include older adults in topic and conversation when it involves them, and not discounting them, but more so making them more inclusive into the environment and helping them feel like they have some self-worth. So I greatly appreciate the course, and I'm grateful for what I've learned, and that is my assignment. Thank you all. Have a great evening.